Greetings, dear audience. Welcome to the Science Cultural Week. We are students of Senior B. In this stand, we will present our fascinating topic, the digestive system.
This topic is useful for us because we know as general culture easily how our digestive system. Knowing this is very important because it's sometimes that will help us level up ourselves in a time of emergency in our digestive system.
Here we have 10 interesting cells of the digestive system. First, the gastrointestinal tract begins at the mouth and ends at the anus. A length of 10 to 12 meters, between 6 and 7 times the total length of the human body.
2. The stomach has capacity of 1.5 liters, but when we eat food can double in size.
3. Food passes between 3 or 4 hours in the stomach, which compresses every 20 seconds to digest. Then in the small intestine are between 6 and 20 hours. In the bulk, the food can be between 4 and 6 days.
If we extended the small intestine, discover that it measures about 6 meters long. Although the total area of the surface, even for a building, amounts to nothing less than a tennis court.
5. We eat about 500 pounds of food each year and daily secretes about 1.7 liters of saliva.
In the large intestine is the intestinal flora, a number of bacteria responsible for fermenting the fluid to produce useful substance digestive remains of digestion. It is estimated that we harbor in our gut about 2,000 different bacterial species, and of those only 100 can be harmful. In fact, between 55 and 15% by volume correspond to colon intestinal flora.
8. The liver is also part of the digestive system, weighing about 1.6 kilograms, and is the largest and heaviest organ of the body. If the soul, more one, can be regenerated completely.
The liver processes about 1,720 quarts of blood each day.
10. And the last one. The stomach contains approximately 35 million small digestive glands and produces 2.5 liters of gastric juices daily. If you want to know and learn much more about our digestive system, so funny but very simple and complete, visit our site www.elsistemadigestivo.blogspot.com.